Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your rear door handle on a 2018 Honda Ridgeline. Start out by opening up your door, and on the inside of the door jamb right here we're going to have to remove this cap. So take a small flathead screwdriver and carefully peel off this rubber cap, and inside there is a bolt, and using a 10mm socket take the bolt out. And when you go to pull the bolt out, you want to lean your socket down, or back rather, and that way the bolt doesn't fall inside of the door. You can also put a piece of tape on your socket, and that way the bolt won't fall out. And once you have the bolt out, you just want to pull out on the door handle and then get your hand in behind this end cap here and just pull out on it, and then take the door handle and slide it towards the back of the car and then pull out on it, and it comes right out. And then to put the door handle back in, you want to make sure both of these rubber pieces are seated on the door properly, and then start by feeding this end in and then come down to the other side and push it in, and then slide it towards the front of the car, and it locks itself in. And now you actually have a fully functioning door handle at this point. And then just put the cap on and put the bolt in, and the rubber cap on, and you're done. And that's it guys. That's how you remove the door handle. Thanks for watching.